The front office is more to the side, so when students are walking around that area, it won't distract the visitors that are coming in and out.
I think it's a really cool space to help kids show what they can do and like all the glass. It's really cool.
My favorite part about the design is the second story because you get to be separated from the other grades. It's not going to be as small.
I'm most excited about the bigger spaces and the second story for the 8th graders. I think it's going to be great that the classrooms are bigger and we can do more hands-on activities and we will have a lot more fun in the classrooms.
I think the serving line is great because there won't be a bunch of people in one line getting squished.
I like the cafeteria space. It's very open and larger, and we have the place for like bands and things to be.